Hi guys, my name is Antonio. I work here at SlabWare, and today I'll be teaching you a purchase order flow, which will be creating a PO, a container, and a bundle. So let's go to the tutorial.
To create a purchase order, you just have to hit New. Then you must select the supplier you are ordering from, the sales representative, and the order status. And hit Save. Now you can add the materials you want to buy. Click New. Make sure to provide all the necessary information about the material. You can also add the sizes and the price for the slabs. Once you hit Save, you can generate the PDF and send it to your supplier. After the supplier approves it, you can add the bundle to your system. As you can see, you won't be able to add a container yet. So now that the bundle has been added, you can create the container. You must set the container number and container name. You can also add the status, the expected date, and all other relevant information. Once you do that, the system will ask you which bundles you want to add to the container. Now you've created the container with the bundle inside. You can see the container number, the name of the supplier, the status, the cost, and the bundle in your system, along with accurate slab and pricing information. Click on the name of the material. There you'll see the bundle details, the list of costs including the origin cost of the slabs, and the list of slabs you previously selected. Once you go to the purchase orders list, you'll be able to see the purchase order you created. Also, in the list of containers, you'll be able to see the container and the purchase order that you created. And in the list of bundles, you can also see the bundle you just added.
So I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start a free trial right now.